Step
This
up. Come on.
is an ancient 3-week tradition. We are going to muster
The wind.
no pun intended, the wind and our ancestors of the 3-week, one might say. Who knows? But there is a special wind chant that we must do to be able to get the wind gods, first of all, to pay attention to us. We're going to be very loud.
Very
and then
loud.
give us
Very loud.
big gusts of wind. For lots of wind on our last day of sailing. Lots of wind!
It's a callback kind of thing, so cooperation is
You listen, you repeat. Listen, repeat. You'll get the hang of it.
I don't understand.
You'll get the hang of it.
So, there are four. There are 4 lines that you must repeat. So, the first one goes, ooh, ale, ale.
Ooh,
ale, ale.
Alea tiki tanga.
Alea tiki tanga.
Ooh, ale. Wait. Wassa, wassa, wassa.
Wassa, wassa, wassa.
Ooh, ale, ale,
Yes,
ale,
yes,
wa.
Ooh, ale, 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 wa.
All right. Ready? Let's start this. Come on.